As a wallet holder, you have different wallet addresses for each currency you hold. You may have just one, a few, or even up to 100, each with their own set of 26 to 42 numeric characters that you have to copy-paste every time you transfer money. But what if you could combine them all into one easy-to-remember username with Unstoppable's NFT domains? A single username that everyone can easily enter to send crypto, freeing you of the worry of misentering your address ever again. An unstoppable username with support for over 275 cryptocurrencies and tokens, and interoperability across most major wallets and exchanges. An unstoppable username that frees you from the hassle of the copy-paste monster and the dangers of malicious software that can replace your copied address with a hacker's wallet address. An unstoppable username that makes you, well, unstoppable. Whether you are discovering crypto, a blockchain enthusiast, or just someone who values their time, join a fast-growing community. Don't let the copy-paste monster ruin your day. Get in first and secure your unstoppable domain name today and make your wallet experience even better.